I arrived in Seoul and looked for my bus. I asked a passerby, 버스 정류장이 어디예요? Where is the bus stop? Then I checked for the subway. 지하철역이 어디예요? Where is the subway station? Before boarding, I confirmed. 띵띵행 지하철 맞아요? Is this the subway to 띵띵? At the bus stop, I ask, 몇 번 버스를 타야 해요? Which bus should I take? Inside the train, I wonder, 여기서 환승해요? Did I transfer here? I listen carefully and ask, 다음 역이 어디예요? What's the next station? Then I check, 몇 정거장 남았어요? How many stops are left? On the bus, I confirm my destination. 이 버스 시청에 가요? Does this bus go to City Hall? When I need to charge my card, I ask, 교통카드를 어디에서 충전해요? Where can I recharge my transportation card? Finally, I ask for help. 내려야 할 때 알려주세요. Please let me know when I should get off. With these phrases, traveling by bus and subway in Korea feels easy and exciting.